Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to easily apply a coupon or promo code when booking a flight on IndiGo. Let's dive right in. First, open the IndiGo website or launch the mobile app. Both platforms work exactly the same way for this method. On the home screen, enter your departure city in the From field and your destination in the To field. Select your travel dates and the number of passengers, then click Search. Review the available flights in the search results. Find the one that matches your schedule and budget, select it, and click Continue. Next, fill in all traveler details exactly as they appear on your ID. You can skip past the optional add-ons like seats or meals if you don't need them. Just keep clicking Continue until you reach the final payment page. This is the most important step. On the payment page, before entering any credit card details, pause and look for the field labeled promo code, discount code, or voucher. It is usually located right above the payment methods or next to the fare breakdown. Click the box, paste your coupon code carefully, ensuring there are no extra spaces, and click Apply. Watch the fare summary update. If your code is valid for this route and date, the total price will drop instantly. Once you confirm the new discounted total, simply choose your payment method and complete the transaction. That is it. You have successfully applied your promo code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straight-to-the-point guides. See you next time.